What's going on? Today I'm going to be checking out a new upcoming NES game. It's called Tapeworm Disco Puzzle, and it's a spin-off of a game I recently covered called Flea. If you want to check out that video, I'll have it annotated. Now let's check out this game. The game itself is a puzzle game that takes inspiration from games like Snake. It is set in the world of the first game, Flea, which was a continuous jumping platformer where you were a flea on a pack of animals trying to take down the evil king ruling over them. In this game, you just play as a tapeworm who is the local nightclub owner. He lives in a cassette tape, and you have to avoid enemies while collecting music notes and helping out fleas collect blood. You do all this to a pretty dope soundtrack, though it seems there's only one song in the demo. The Kickstarter for this game is supposed to go live on the 16th of December, so if you enjoy this gameplay and it interests you at all, check it out in the link in the description. And there will also be a link for the demo there. It is planned to be released on the NES, Dreamcast, and PC. The demo has 15 levels to try out and gives you a decent show of what the gameplay will be like. The full release plans to have around 100 levels playable with hidden secrets to find, so it looks to be a lot of fun. The digital release is planned to be around $10. For the actual gameplay, in each level there's a grid and you only have so many movements forward to collect everything. You can back up one space at a time to regain your movements, or you can rapidly rewind into the cassette. There are different obstacles to avoid in each level, ranging from spikes to mosquitoes. There's a time limit to each stage, but that didn't really affect me very much in the demo. Each stage has a different objective. Some are to simply collect the music notes, while others have you helping out fleas in different ways. Some fleas have you help them collect blood, and others you have to help them escape the level. It makes for a good mix of gameplay that made the demo feel pretty varied. I'll have some more gameplay after the outro if you want to watch more. That was a quick look at the new NES game called Tapeworm Disco Puzzle. So far it's looking to be a really fun puzzle game, playable on the RG350, Retroid Pocket 2, other emulators, and even original hardware. Don't forget to check out the Kickstarter if you're interested at all. You can play the demo, and if you enjoyed, you can help them make it a full game. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more retro gaming content. Thanks for watching.